Hydrogen, most prevalent gas, the first element to be in the universe.
Helium. 2 protons remain. Float like an orange balloon. Smallest element.
Lithium, replacing gas cars, powering rockets to Mars, batteries for phones.
Beryllium. Satellites in space. My engine must be replaced. A job for BE.
Boron, improves wound healing. Nothing boring about boron. Essential for bones.
Carbon. The maker of life. 4 empty electron slots. Diamond, graphite, us.
Nitrogen, most common in air. Laughing gas at the dentist. Plant fertilizer.
Oxygen. We need it to breathe. Without it, you'll leave the earth. Be careful of flames.
Fluorine, the most reactive, most electronegative, the first halogen.
Neon. Bright red neon signs. Yet nobody realizes. No charge. Colorless.
Sodium, table salt, road salt, cut like butter on warm days, in bonds, tough like rope.
Magnesium. Creates DNA. Sparks. Used as a fire starter. Shiny gray metal.
Aluminum, good for old CDs, used to build our ships and trains, also makes foil.
Silicon. Useful metalloid. Makes up minerals and sand and technology.
Phosphorus, white smoke from heaven, incense from a scorching star, a path through the dark.
Sulfur. Smells like rotten eggs. Mined near burning volcanoes. Yellow balls of fire.
Chlorine, yellow pool water, chlorine saves our summer day, used in World War I.
Argon. Violet and glowing. Jason and the Argonauts. Noble like the gas.
Potassium, found in bananas, keeps the fluid in our cells, gives us nutrition.
Calcium. Skeleton structure. Sends and receives nerve signals. You should drink your milk.
Scandium, pinkish in the air, baseball bats and Russian planes, found up in Norway.
Titanium. Titan of metals. Golf clubs, laptops, bicycles. Bone-crushing power.
Vanadium, shedding electrons, ductile, resists corrosion, soft and conductive.
Chromium. It's hard and brittle. Its electrons are shuffled. 1 in the 4s.
Manganese, number 25, alloys, dry cell batteries, creates oxygen.
Iron. Heavy, super strong. The metal of industry. Ferromagnetic.
Cobalt, vivid shade of blue, named for mythical goblins, used to treat cancer.
Nickel. Called devil's copper. It's abundant in the Earth's core. It's also a coin.
Copper, reddish metallic, the smith's favorite one to bend. It can oxidize.
Zinc. Vital nutrient. It's brittle and crystalline. The last of 3D.
Gallium, phones and LEDs, a very low melting point of 30 degrees.
Germanium. Found by the Germans. Used in fluorescent lamps. Cool, grayish tinted.
Arsenic, pharmaceuticals, pre-penicillin treatment. It's highly toxic.
Selenium. Pigments, paints, plastics. Can reduce inflammation, allotropic forms.
Bromine, red, toxic, pungent, liquid at room temperature. It's a halogen.
Krypton. It's not reactive. Noble gas, anesthetic, fluorescent lighting.
Rubidium, one more alkali, the second most reactive, very soft and lustrous.
Strontium. It strengthens our bones. Most precise atomic clock. Fireworks and flares.
Yttrium, radars, man-made gems, an additive in alloys, communications.
Zirconium. It's heat resistant. Ceramics and abrasives. Very durable.
Niobium, gray ductile metal, makes MRI images, also stainless steel.
Molybdenum. Lubricants, pigments. Catalysts, smoke suppressants. A strong conductor.
Technetium, the first synthetic, has no stable isotopes. The protons decay.
Ruthenium. Not so reactive. In Ural Mountains, Russia, where platinum ores live.
Rhodium, a precious metal, just one stable isotope. Rhodium 103.
Palladium. Rarer than platinum. Low density, melting point. It detoxifies.
Silver, discovered way back. Jewelry, coins, and utensils. Useful, valuable.
Cadmium. Shiny, soft, and blue. Illegal, carcinogen. Lowers melting points.
Indium, low melting alloys. Used to dope germanium, relatively rare.
Tin. As old as it gets. Used for millennia. For weapons and tools.
Antimony, metallic and gray. It's a part of the strongest known superacid.
Tellurium. It's rare on the Earth. Heavier than iodine. Plentiful in space.
Iodine, regulates our growth. Can cure cancer if used right. Our brains need it too.
Xenon. Electrified blue. Most expensive and most dense. So unreactive.
Cesium, explodes in water. Most reactive as we know. Used for optics too.
Barium. Used for oil and gas. Was barite used for witchcraft? Yes, we'll never know.
Lanthanum, the first lanthanide, begins the F orbital, as soft as butter.
Therium. Malleable and soft. +4 oxidation state. It's one of a kind.
Praseodymium, it's silvery white, just another lanthanide, can make more alloys.
Neodymium. The name means new twin, the second most abundant of rare earth metals.
Promethium, it's like technetium, not stable, used for missiles. That's promethium.
Samarium. Abundant as tin. No biological role, white and odorless.
Europium, it is the least dense, the softest, most volatile of the lanthanides.
Gadolinium. Not found in pure form. It resists high temperatures. Superconductive.
Terbium, product of fission. Its ions are a bright green, used for TV screens.
Dysprosium. Very magnetic, an abundant lanthanide. Tarnishes in air.
Holmium, holmium's glow bright. Rare earth magnetic heart. Lasers see its light.
Erbium, pink hue in the glass. Erbium, so rare and strong. Green light softly glows.
Thulium, silvery sheen hides, a gift for seeing through dark, X-ray's silent eye.
Ytterbium, I cannot pronounce the name of ytterbium. Used in stainless steel.
Lutetium, the last lanthanide, the most dense of all of them, and highest melting.
Hafnium, hidden twin of Earth. Tough and bright, it splits the light. Nuclear shield gleams.
Tantalum, a gray conductor, a refractory metal, dense and ductile too.
Tungsten, the strongest metal. Electrodes and filaments, highest melting point.
Rhenium, highest boiling point, rare 1 part per million, tungsten's big brother.
Osmium, the densest metal. Bluish white and natural, and smells like garlic.
Iridium, osmium's brother, most corrosion resistant, difficult to melt.
Platinum, ageless existence. A chemical chameleon, way rarer than gold.
Gold, came from meteorites, prized by humans, sign of wealth. Shiny, soft, edible.
Mercury, the weakest metal. Liquid at room temperature. Metallic, toxic.
Thallium, solid, dull, tasteless. Used for murder weapons and rat poisons as well.
Lead, it's in our pencils. Uranium decays to this. Discovered way back.
Bismuth, 0.2 parts per million. Liquid denser than solid. Crystals turn rainbow.
Polonium, named after Poland. It has the most isotopes, 42 in all.
Astatine, a decay product. All isotopes are short-lived, rarest in Earth's crust.
Radon, radioactive, leading cause of lung cancer. No odor or color.
Francium, biggest element. Half-life, 22 minutes. Only 30 grams.
Radium, it glows in the dark, highly radioactive. Thanks, Marie Curie.
Actinium, the first actinide. Radioactive, glows blue. Begins the 5F.
Thorium, uranium's kid, more abundant, but weaker. The power of Thor.
Protactinium, attacked by acids. Why lighter than thorium? 5F electron.
Uranium has a decay chain. Last natural element. Ended World War II.
Neptunium, named from the planet. First made in 1940. It's pyrophoric.
Plutonium, dropped on Nagasaki. Powers nuclear reactors. Ended World War.
Americium, detects smoke in homes. Born in the land of the free. Could cause bone cancer.
Curium, the next actinide, found in 1944. Purple in the dark.
Berkelium, 10 known isotopes. Less than 1 gram made each year. 1949.
California, identifies gold, a strong neutron emitter. Found 1950.
Einsteinium, 1952. A few milligrams each year. Glows blue in the dark.
Fermium, now from 53. Triple digit proton count, we're in the home stretch.
Mendelevium, made in 55, named after Dmitri M., who made this table.
Nobelium, 1958. The man who named dynamite had his name on this.
Lawrencium, 1961. Electron in 7p, the last actinide.
Rutherfordium, named after Ernest, father of nuclear physics. First superheavy.
Dubnium, fused for just a breath. Dubnium, fleeting, man-made, a dream of elements.
Seaborgium, 16 isotopes. Half-life less than 3 minutes. Really, really short.
Bohrium, named after Niels Bohr, similar to rhenium, 61 seconds.
Hassium, 15 isotopes, named after a German state, number 108.
Meitnerium, it's the 10th to last. Bombard bismuth to make it, 4.5 seconds.
Darmstadtium, a superheavy, named for a German city. It is not tiny.
Roentgenium, just 12 isotopes, metallic gold appearance, only for research.
Copernicum, ends off the 6D, 282 ammo, 9 known isotopes.
Nihonium, starts off the 7p, discovered 2004. There's only 5 more.
Flerovium, 5 known isotopes. Half-life in seconds is just 0.97. Wow.
Moscovium, named after Moscow. US and Russia helped out, 220 ms.
Livermorium, 16 protons, another synthetic one. Very short half-life.
Tennessine, last one discovered. Only 4 known isotopes. 6 atoms were made.
Oganesson, the last element. Unstable predicament, super noble gas.